In this video, we're going to take a look at the process of returning a Google Chromebook back to its factory defaults, or as Google calls it, performing a power wash. Typically, you would perform a power wash if your Chromebook is misbehaving or you intend to sell, give away, or decommission your computer. It's also worth noting that while performing a power wash will remove any user accounts and user data from your Chromebook, it will not delete your account from Google servers. In order to perform a power wash, if we open Settings and then select Advanced, within Advanced we will find an option called Reset Settings. If we select this option, we're presented with a setting to perform a power wash. However, if you do not see this option, more than likely your Chromebook is being managed by your school or place of employment and they have disabled the ability to factory reset your computer. Let's select Reset and when prompted choose Restart. Our Chromebook will now restart and we need to wait until we are shown the Reset this Chromebook screen. At this stage, if you decide that you do not wish to perform a power wash, simply switch off and on your computer to return to the Chrome OS login screen. As we want to perform a factory reset, we're going to select Power Wash. However, for added security, we've also selected to have our Chromebook updated with the latest firmware. After selecting Power Wash, we are asked to confirm that we wish to factory reset our computer, as all user accounts and local data will be removed from this device. When we select Continue, we are shown a screen explaining that a power wash is in progress. We're then shown a screen informing us that a firmware update is being installed. Finally, after another reboot, our Power Wash Chromebook will display a screen saying, "Welcome to your Chromebook." We can now either power off the Chromebook or select Get Started to add a Google account back onto our Chromebook.